going to show you how to install R on your computer. So first we go to the R project page here, the address, and we want to select the CRAN, which is where we download the files. So we're directed to a page that has a list of CRAN mirrors, and we want to select the Zero Cloud option, which will automatically redirect us to the most convenient location to download the files. So select that. And then the R files that you download will depend on the type of computer you have. I have a Windows machine, so I'm going to select the files for that. And I want to select the base package. So I'll go here. The current version of R is 4.13, most current, so I'll select that and download it to my computer. Next, I'm going to click on the executable, select English, there's a license agreement. I'm going to put it in the program files, and I want the 64-bit files. I don't need translations. And I want the just default option. And then I want it filed under R, under the folder R. I'm not into desktop shortcuts, so I'll leave that, but I do want it in the quick launch. I definitely want to associate R with R data files. Okay, now I'm finished with the install, so hit finish. And I can see that the R has been installed. And when I open it, I get the R console, which allows me to run things from the prompt. But what I want to do is to install RStudio so that I have a nice graphical interface. So we'll do that next.